Delta 660.
United 278, turn left direct Piana, cross Piana 3000, cleared ILS, runway 12 approach.
Direct Piana 3, cleared ILS 169.
Number 679, Lima Golf, climb and maintain 16,000.
16,000, 9 Lima Golf.
Number 578 Golf Charlie, direct to Bimini.
Direct to Bimini, 578 Golf Charlie, doing that now?
Yeah. PS 441, maintain 170 knots, contact tower 118.3.
170, 18.3, UPS 441. You have a great weekend.
Thank you, too.
97 Echo. Frequency change?
Who wants the frequency change?
97 Echo.
497 Echo, frequency change your discretion.
Thank you.
American 2889, proceed direct to Skips, climb and maintain 16,000.
Directly to Skips up to 16,000, American 2889.
United 278, contact tower 118.3.
18.3, 1978.
Miami departure 119.45, check in on your heading.
119.45, checking the heading, 9 Lima Golf.
Number 578 Golf Charlie, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles heavy, 747 is descending to 8,000.
Okay, we got a mistake.
Have power once you're past them.
Got it.
Delta 660, flight heading 120, intercept the localizer, runway 9er.
120 on the heading, intercept the low 29er, Delta 660.
5 contact center, 32.45, good day.
3245, we got 4735. Take care.
376 Golf Hotel, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000 Golf Hotel.
3,000 for 6 Golf Hotel.
3,000 Golf Hotel.
Okay, approach runway 3726 with you leveling 12,000, flipper 280 assigned with Juliet.
Runway 3726, Miami approach, expect ILS runway 9er, descend and maintain 8,000.
Expect ILS runway 9er down to 8,000, runway 3726.
Number 876 Golf Hotel, turn left heading 180. The airport's going to be 9 o'clock and 10 miles before the field in sight.